Okay, just a quick little video on some Kydex project I worked on here. I don't know if you can kind of see this all right, but it's got a little bend in there. Oh, frickin' ass phone. Piece of shit. And then you snap it onto your lighter, and it holds that little trigger down, keeps it from leaking out in your pocket, which I'm not a smoker, but I always carry a lighter. So I've been trying to play around with these things and try to figure out one that would look kind of cool and be easy to make. This is my first butchered attempt. You can see I just kind of sliced and diced on it, but works kind of cool. It takes about 1.5 inches by a 2-inch piece, and I don't know if I'm going to find some kind of punch with a neat design in it or just drill holes in it like that, but it works pretty good. Normally I always have a Bic lighter in my pocket. And what happens after 2-3 months of just working and doing shit, I go to, let someone use it to light a cigarette or something, and it's out of gas. And I thought, well, I always buy these kind of lighters and they don't have any other safety thing on them other than that stupid thing on the top. So works pretty good. Keeps it from getting pressed by accident in your pocket. They snap on pretty nice and tight. So anyway, I just made these by hand. And now I'm trying to figure out how to make a mold that would press this little dent in there. I don't know if you can see that. Not that I want you to see it because it's pretty boogered up. But once I figure that out, where I just push it in there and wrap it kind of like a taco shell or something, I want that dent automatically in there so I don't have to heat it up and play around. And then I'm having a hard time getting them actually centered the way I want. But so let's see. You can kind of see it. All right, so anyway, let me know what you think. I know a lot of preppers carry lighters with you, and there's a lot of covers, but I don't like a lot of stuff in my pocket that's bulky. This doesn't add a whole lot to it as far as size and all that. Now this is the .080 Kydex that I'm using for something else, so it's kind of thick. I'm thinking the 6.0 might be a little thinner and be a little better overall. So if anyone has any ideas, let me know. All right, there you go.